any language. Right, ibizo lami ngiqolani Nyoni and ngihlala eNkulumani. Ngikhuluma ngekhisimusi edlulileyo ayi ikhisimusi binjalo nje, just like that, just like any other days. Why ngisho njalo is just because of economic crisis. Usesaba ukuspend imali on Christmas, usesaba ukwenza anything just because of our fees and everything abantwana for next year. Economy yethu it's a little bit down, so Christmas yethu bingekho that mnandis every other year. So that's what I have to say about my Christmas. And talking about Studio 7, I think Studio 7 is a very good studio. Siyafundisa especially abantwana, because it's labantwana abase secondary and they always say Studio 7 is educational. So just keep up the good work. Just keep up the good work. And I was informer njalo ngendaba ezintsha elathi singazaziyo around Zimbabwe. So just keep up the good work. Siyabonga.